of all the hurdles it faces, the same is the characteristics of a human being. Whoever has come is bound to go. We didn't even realize how this year, 2020, came up and passed away just like a hawa ka jhoka. And today, it is an honor and privilege for me to be present here today in front of you all to showcase my presidential report on the various works and programs undertaken during the year of lockdown and pandemic. And to start off with it, I would first like to welcome the chief guest of today's function, JC Ankur Jhunjhunwala ji, and I request the gathering to have a big round of applause for him. JDP Deepak Bajanka ji, Regency, IPJP and keynote speaker and special invitee for the day, JC Rajesh Gangwal sir. My IPP, JC Vijay Agarwal ji. My secretary, Rishabh ji, Manish Vyah, Rashmi Bhabi, Ramesh Vyah, and all the senior members, Dheeraj Vyah, Pankaj Vyah, my mentor Vikas Vyah, Amit Vyah, they are still not joined, and all my fellow JCs, and all the galaxy of JCs of Zone 25 present here to witness this new era of leadership, change and award ceremony. And all other non-JCs present out here in this hall today, especially Ramesha Sarma sir. Dear friends, when I became president, I had never ever thought of to be present in a year which would be so eventful. But then I realized that everything has its own pros and cons. साल 2020 आया, हम काम करें, मार्च महीने तक सब कुछ लॉकडाउन नहीं था और हम एक फ्लो में काम कर रहे थे और अचानक से एक ऐसी परिस्थिति आई जो कि सारा सिस्टम चेंज हो गया एंड फ्रॉम अप्रैल ऑनवर्ड्स वी वर इन स्टेट ऑफ लॉकडाउन. देन टू सिचुएशन को समझते हुए देखते हुए हमने जितना हो सका अपने बलबूते पे किया और ये सेम लीडरशिप का जो चलन है आज मैं छोड़ के जाऊंगा और मैं आशा करता हूं कि मेरे आने वाले प्रेसिडेंट जैसी अमित जी पाटनी इसको बखूबी निभाएंगे और हुनर का परचम हमेशा लहराते रहेंगे. जय जैसी जय हिंद. A great day today that we have gathered here to witness this great ceremony. I am excited and stand tall to welcome you all, my fellow Hunarians, my seniors, my mentors and the galaxy of leaders to Hunarman 2020. Installation cum award night. I, on behalf of JCI Bharati Hunar, wish everyone Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to 2021 in advance, free from all negativity. It is the law of universe that whoever comes is bound to go. So here we are today where you will witness both the rising sun and the sunset together at a single platform. As part of our plan, in the start of the year, we were enthusiastic and accordingly worked with full swing until March 24th. Who knew that something else was scripted in the God's book for the year 2020? The future of nursing this year was challenging. It was only possible for me to lead this strategic priority through your collaborative support. Because of your strong support and all these unforeseen adversities also can't deter us from marching forward, and we were successful in moving the limelight. Today, us in the entire Zone 25 in moving the limelight towards us in the entire Zone 25 by grabbing a lot of important awards in the ZoneCon 2020, the biggest event of recognition for a JC member at Zone level. It was the shared efforts of you all, my dear fellow Hunarians, that we were able to achieve this rare feat. at the start of the session, I asked you all to give your hope, give your hand, give your support, and give your voice for the year 2020. And I feel that I was successful to some extent in getting the same love and support the way I required from you all. We vote that we will command, connect, and prove to be a great organization with great leaders, and I think we could attain the same to some extent. The only thing which we cannot do as thought of in the start of the year was to be a centurion loan, which was because of the prevalent conditions. But I am sure my upcoming president, J.C. Amit Jain Patni ji, will surely achieve this dream of Hunar in the year 2021. And it is rightly said that we should set examples for the upcoming leaders to follow, and I hope and think that whatever we have done in the year 2020 will set a new benchmark for Hunar and will compel the upcoming leadership to achieve more of whatever is being achieved in the previous years in their own unique way. You all have seen me moving from the lower levels to this top post as president in the last 5 years of my journey in JCI. And my dear fellow JCs, I want to mention here again that the learnings which are available in JCI, one can't avail the same in the modern school of management, also paying hefty fees. It is that temple of learning which makes you a perfect human being in all respect. It shapes your character and transforms you to a true personality with all your qualities out in public. In other words, अगर एक सोए हुए इंसान को जगाना हो तो उसे JCI ज्वाइन करवा दो. I am inspired by the achievements and exponential growth that our organization has achieved in this last 5 years. I am honored to highlight all the accomplishments that have affected the lives of so many of us today on this installation day of 20th of December 2020. And thankful to each one of you from the Hunar family for all the love and support which you have showered on me during my presidency tenure, for which I will always remain indebted to you all. Together with my Hunar family, I, as the president of JCI Guwahati Hunar for the year 2020, take this opportunity to present before you all the presidential report for the year 2020. I call upon each one of you to join me in this journey of togetherness. To start off with, I request Rishabh Kumar Jain to come forward. Rishabh Bhaiya worked as my eyes for the year round. In almost every area of operations, he justified his role as a true secretary. He never let me realize that he is an elder brother of mine and worked and accomplished works as and when required. And yes, how can I forget his timely correspondences with NHQ, which has helped us in shorting the award as the first loan in the entire Zone 25 to achieve 100% efficiency, which only a few loans could make out apart from us during these tough times of Corona. My regards to his better half, Savita Bhabhi, and love to the sweet little daughters, Yuvika and Divanshi. For the year 2020. He is not present. J.C. Prashant Jain, treasurer and interior designer by profession. There could have been no better person for the post of treasurer than Prashant for me the year round. He accomplished his duties right, upholding the framework of charitable organizations, wherein every penny could be effectively used and accounted for. He managed the affairs of his business so well that I never felt the need to look into his works ever. Not only as a treasurer, wherever there was a need, J.C. Prashant was always there with the words, "Bhaiya ho jayega." He always also worked closely with the other members of the management committee to safeguard the organization's finances. My regards to his better half, JC Aisha Jain, for letting him devote the year for JCI. My JP Rajesh Kumar Gangwal sir. Please. It's for all. JC Rajesh Kumar Gangwal Bhaiya, an advocate by profession. JC Rajesh Bhaiya has been my guru in true sense. I am associated with Rajesh Bhaiya in JCI from the very beginning of Hunar, and his support has always been remarkable for me. I have seen him raise in the ladder of success both professionally and in JCI, which has been a great source of inspiration for me. Since 2016, when JCI Guwahati Hunar was formed, I have worked on various roles with him. Among them, the most prominent one being his secretary in the year of his presidency 2018. His way of reading things are always unique and has helped me in a big way to complete a fruitful year as a president for the year 2020. How can I forget his small but meaningful advices which have helped me to overcome a lot of troublesome situations. He fought with NSU, and it's because of his efforts that we got to host one of the biggest events of JCI, Academy for Business Leadership and Excellence. Though it didn't go through as planned due to COVID-19. Rajesh Bhaiya, I am proud of you for making the name of Hunar high by being the ZP of Zone 25, the highest post of John, and thankful to you and your better half, Isha Bhabi, for always being there by my side for the year round. My love to sweet little kids, Darsh and Taisha. But he was supposed to come. An MBA by profession and businessman together. Just as Shankar Bhagwan, my ZVP, took care of me and our loan throughout the year. How can I forget the support of ZVP Shankar Agarwal ji in the preparation of ZPRP reports? His help in motivating me for various projects, his help in encouraging me for bidding awards at MIPCON. The list is countless. To sum up, he was a ZVP in true sense and was always helpful when in need, just like a brother and not as a ZVP. My thanks to ZVP Sankarji Agarwal for his contribution during the year, along with her better half, JC Kirti Agarwal ji, without whom this would not have been possible. I request Vikas Bhaiya to come forward. A company secretary by profession, this chartered accountant by profession. JC Vikas Kumar Jain Bhaiya, a man with a great heart, a man on whom I always relied upon throughout the year, and he kept the same trust to count on. At several points of time, it seemed to me that without him, I would not have been able to complete my role as a president. How can I forget his guidance whenever I needed the same? His words encouraged me throughout the year to work courageously and act like a true president and take bold decisions. Vikas Bhaiya, you are an encyclopedia of knowledge, and it depends on the person how much he or she can gain from it. I am fortunate that I got the company of great people like you. JCI Guwahati Hunar will always remain indebted to you for your contribution to the organization. My best wishes to Neetu Bhabi and love to sweet sons Chirag and Bego. Kumar Jain Kala, Amit Bhaiya, not here. Advisor and mentor JC Amit Kumar Jain Kala, certified financial planner, an industrialist together. My mentor and a pillar in true sense of Hunar and always a guiding force for me. A man with a calm nature who is always there by my side in the most effective and silent way. It is his vision only which brought which has brought Hunar to such heights where we can proudly tell publicly that we are Hunarians. Though he was involved in each and every project actively, the most prominent was his role, which helped us in the establishment of office for JCI Guwahati Hunar this year. And it came at a time when we were thinking to merely do something in presence of National President Sir due to COVID scenario. It also gave us the tag of being the first loam in the entire Zone 25 having its own office. His role in the establishment of new loam under the aegis of JCI Guwahati Hunar, namely JCI Guwahati Hunar Aspire, was also a remarkable one. In a nutshell, his role can't be described in a few words, and words would be less to describe his contributions in making this organization recognized in the entire Zone 25 and beyond. I thank JC Amit Bhaiya from the core of my heart, and also his better half, Vinita Bhabi, and love to kids, Divyam and Manya. And a chartered accountant by profession, JC Dheeraj Kumar ji. How can I forget the support of Dheeraj Bhaiya from the very start of the session? I remember the confidence which he instilled in me when I was preparing myself for the post of president. I remember the discussion which ran for hours, which motivated me to take up the post as a president of this great organization, JCI Guwahati Hunar. His all-round support wherever and whenever I was struck was remarkable. It is Dheeraj Bhaiya only who guided me with the various team management lessons for a better management of the same. I thank Dheeraj Bhaiya from the core of my heart, and also to his better half, Sneha Bhavi, and also convey my love to cute boy Dash, active junior DC. Mukesh Bhaiya is not present. Mentor and advisor, JC Mukesh Kumar Jain. Mukesh Bhaiya, with his calm nature, has always guided to be active in whatever you do. Though this year he can't be active, his well wishes and guidance were always there with me. I thank JC Mukesh Bhaiya and his better half, Yami Bhabi, for all the love and support during the year, and convey my love to the kids, Chinmay and Chirag. Isha Bhabi. Isha. My VP management, JC Isha Gangwal, a home engineer by profession, and the first lady of the Zone 25 for the year 2020. As mentioned during the start of the session, she is, and she will remain the powerhouse of JCI Guwahati Hunar, and she proved the same this time again. Whatever she does it with full conviction and zeal. She handled her post so well that I didn't felt any need to look into the affairs of her business the year round. How can I forget one of the biggest gifts being given by her to JCI Guwahati Hunar in the form of a new loan, JCI Itanagar Royals. Being the wife of Zone President, it was very difficult for her to justify work for her post, but she did it to the fullest. She was always an encouraging factor during the year. Wherever I call her, always say, "Bhaiya, हम हैं ना, आप आगे बढ़िए, काम हो जाए." I wish her a great JCI career ahead and convey my regards to sweet little kids, Darsh and Taisha. The most active and dynamic VP program, JC Neha Gupta ji, a home engineer by profession. हम वही बोले JC Neha Gupta kept no stones unturned to prove herself by virtue of her deeds. She was probably my best choice for the post of VP program and proved it well. You handle projects so well that I didn't find the need to look into your workings. I remember you were always ready to take up a responsibility whenever asked for and justified your role in successfully executing the same. How can I forget projects like village adoption and Feed the Hunger, which gave a lot of fame to us? JCI Guwahati. Your projects like the Mother's Day were remarkable one. I wish JC Neha ji a bright JCI career ahead and thank her for all the support during the year 2020. My regards to Ashu ji for letting her work for the organization the year round and love for the kids Manas and Sneh. VP Business, JC Manoj. A chartered accountant by profession. As mentioned during my acceptance speech, JC Manoj Jain remained as my younger brother in true sense. He proved the same by his deeds, and the result and transformation is evident in the form of Secretary 2021 as JC Manoj Jain. It is rightly said that a person with patience can move mountains. JC Manoj Jain is a true example of the same. His humble and honest thought process are enough to make things easy and getting executed. Being VP Business, he rocked the show wherein together with the help of the core team members, he did so much of projects which other nomes have never ever thought of. To name them a few, are Trio Business Day and B2B Meet. And yes, how can I forget his humbleness when without any hesitation, he always offered his places for various activities. I have high expectations from you, my dear brother in JCI, and I wish all the success and luck to you in your professional and JCI career. March ahead and keep rocking. My regards to your better half, JC Archie. I request VP GND Amit Katliwal to come forward. A businessman, an industrialist by profession. JC Amit Katliwal, my VP GND, a hero in true sense. Just like a hero, worked in so many projects together that all ever can't be mentioned over here. He is a dedicated JC and was active throughout the year to make year 2020 a grand one. How can I forget his role in making a lot of programs successful with his sheer gene? Among them, the most prominent was his contribution in the formation of two new loans, namely JCI Guwahati Hunar Aspire and JCI Itanagar Royals. Zone 25 was in desperate need of the same, and it is under his leadership, members like JC Sneha and JC Isha Bhavi were encouraged to start the new loans. JC Amit Katliwal, you are a person of deep commitment and clear dedication, and I wish you a great JCI career ahead. My regards to your better half, Sneha, and love to kids, Kaira, Jesvi, and Sarah. I am skipping one VP's name here because he is included in one other category. Director, now I come to Director. Director JC Amit Patni. JC Amit Patni, Bhaiya, the President for the year 2021, a consultant by profession, investment consultant. I have seen Amit Bhaiya very closely, and I am related to him since probably more than 15 years actively. He has always been active in various social organizations throughout the year. He is a person who can be bestowed with a better human resource management. And I am happy today that in his 2 years of journey at JCI, he has transformed himself to a great extent and really feel proud that today he is being elected to the highest post of this privileged organization, JCI Guwahati Hunar, as President for the year 2021. Whatever he did in the year 2020, he has done it with class. To name them a few are blood donation camp, JCI week, and training on relationships named as Risto Ka Sansar. I am sure with the responsibility as the president of Hunar, he will transform himself to a ever more better personality and will make the flag of JCI Guwahati Hunar more high in both zone and national level. Thank you, Amidya, for carrying forward the legacy, and my regards to your better half, Jyoti Bhavi, and sweet little kids, Riya and Pratik. I request Deepak Jain to come forward.
सबके लग जाएगा। एक मिनट रुक जाओ गोपाल जी।
Director JC Deepak Jain, a chartered accountant by profession. JC Deepak Jain, my close confidant, worked as such the year round. He always tried to convey his concerns for anything wrong which would happen for an action. How can I forget his role of a true confidant who always tried to get things rectified by getting into it. It was JC Deepak only who gave a kickstart to the session 2020 with his program on mutual fund awareness named as Mutual Fund Pe Charcha, which witnessed a large gathering, and the program was a grand success. He proved his aura, and today I am happy that he has escalated himself to the post of treasurer, and I am sure enough that there will no dearth of cash this time in Hunar under his guidance. I wish him all the good luck and good fortune both professionally and in JCI career, and thank his wife and better half JC Khushbu who let her work for the organization, compromising her personal interest. My love to sweet little kids, both the daughters. JC Sanjay. Director JC Sanjay Jain, Chartered Accountant. JC Sanjay Bhaiya is quoted in the start of the session. He is a man with a lot of resource, and he came up with a lot of great ideas too, this time too. But due to the prevailing conditions, these short after projects could not be executed. But I know his contribution to JCI will continue the same way in times to come. I will specifically mention one thing here. The sacrifice which he did by allowing Sarita Bhavi to work for the welfare of the organization was commendable. Without his support, she would not have been able to work so actively for Hunar. And yes, I want to mention here that her expertise proved to be great asset for Hunar for the year 2020. Thanks for all your contribution to the organization, Sanjay Bhaiya and Sarita Bhavi, for the year 2020, for which I will always remain indebted to you. Love to sweet little daughters, Dimple and Dhanvi. Now, moving to the backbones for the year 2020, who acted as a backbone for me for the year round. Backbones for the year 2020, JC Sneha Pahadia, Director, a home engineer, and my wife. It's because of Sneha It's because of Sneha. It's because of Sneha only that I was able to take this decision of opting for the president of JCI Guwahati Hunar. Her support throughout the year could not be expressed in words. One might think that due to Corona, there were not much sacrifices, but actually it was just opposite to that. Being at home, I was always away from home. As workload from JCI perspective multiplied during these Corona times. Sneha complimented me in every call of mine and gave me the confidence required to take a call on any matter because of her calm and quiet head. She is a person who is very patient and cool-tempered, and it's because of her I am able to advert toughest of the toughest situations. She is the MBA of my life, an architect behind whatever I am today. I am missing you today as you are not with me in this very important day, my darling. You standing by my side is the greatest gift I have as an individual. Also missing my sweet little kids, Kavya and Prakha. I request JC Pujajan to come forward. Pooja Jain, VP Training, a soft skill trainer and yoga instructor by profession. It matters a lot when you speak something and it transforms into reality. I remember my acceptance speech where I denoted her as a leader in the making, which she has justified in true sense. You have acted as a true backbone for me for the whole year. Wherever and whenever there was a need, you were always there for help. May it be speeches, trainings, programs, interaction with members, invitations, or handling a chaotic situation. You worked like a shadow to me who could cover up anything and everything. What is more relevant here is you already were a leader, and being in JCI, it added a layer to your qualities. Your humble end is your key. I know the problems grasping you the coming year, which is your reason for not making up to the higher post, but I want to remind you that we see you as an upcoming leader with qualities of a trainer, a motivator, a curator, and an innovator. We would love to see you at posts of repute and major responsibilities in times to come, which will help you gain more knowledge and will benefit the organization also with all the inbound qualities you have. I thank you from the core of my heart for all your cooperation and active participation during the year. Also want to thank you for keeping the name of Hunar high in the recently concluded Zone Call 2020, where you were awarded as the outstanding local officer of the zone. My regards to your better half, Manish ji, for allowing you to be a part of JCI Guwahati Hunar, and love to your sweet little daughter. Thank you so much. I request JC Ragini to come forward. Backbone for the year 2020. JC Ragini Jain, a home engineer by profession. JC Ragini, words will be less to describe you. I have seen you grooming and have seen a great transformation in you the year round. I know you since your childhood, and the way in which you have groomed yourself is commendable. You are a great asset to the organization JCI Guwahati Hunar. The way in which you have handled assignments are remarkable. I remember how you agreed to my proposal of handling the social media matter with your words, भैया आप बोल रहे हो हैं तो हो जाएगा. Thank you for handling the birthday and anniversary wishes so well. A tough job to follow the year round. What is important here to be mentioned is you always humbly accepted any request put forward to you and executed the same with complete perfection. Your calmness is the key to your success. I remember your speeches and it is always good to listen from you. I am privileged to have members like you in the organization. I thank JC Naveen Bhaiya to let you get involved in the various activities of Hunar and extend my love to your sweet little son, Umid. I request Sarita Bhabhi to come forward, backbone for the year 2020. JC Sarita Jain, a home engineer by profession and an yoga instructor too. Here, I'd like to thank JC Sanjay Jain Bhaiya for allowing Sarita Bhabhi to get actively involved in various activities of JCI Guwahati Hunar. JC Sarita Jain Bhabhi has been a precious gift to Hunar. She is a multi-talented lady with a lot of Hunar within her. Your speaking skills, deliberation skills, poetry, yoga talent, writing skills are all commendable. I was lucky to have you as my core member. I asked you once and told you the process of press releases, and I remember how we got it to action. What a memory they are to preserve. And now we have a full-on person who can be given the tag as editor-in-chief of JCI Guwahati Hunar. I will miss working with members like you always. I have a small request to be made to Sanjay Bhaiya to allow you to open up more, and you can do wonders, I am sure of that. My regards to Sarita Bhabhi and a big thanks to Sanjay Bhaiya and love for the sweet little daughters Dimple and Tanvi. Star members, there is another captain. Amit Bhaiya has come. आइए
स्टार आधी चमक
Star Member of the Year, Industrialist and Certified Financial Planner by profession. My mentor and a pillar in true sense of Hunar and always a guiding force for me, a man with a calm and timid nature who is always there by my side in the most effective and silent way. It is his vision only which has brought Hunar to such heights where we can proudly tell publicly that we are Hunarians. Though he was involved in each and every project actively, the most prominent was his role, which helped us in the establishment of office for JCI Guwahati Hunar in the name of Hunar Parisar. And it came at a time when we were thinking to merely do something in presence of national president sir due to COVID scenario. It also gave us the tag of being the first loam in the entire Zone 25 having its own office. His role in the establishment of new loam under the aegis of JCI Guwahati Hunar, namely JCI Guwahati Hunar Aspire, was also a remarkable one. In a nutshell, his role can't be described in a few words, and words would be less to describe his contributions in making this organization recognized in the entire Zone 25 and beyond. I thank JC Amit Bhaiya from the core of my heart, and also his better half Vinita Bhabhi, and love to kids Divyam and Manya. Of the year, I request Pankaj Bhaiya to come forward. JC Pankaj Bhaiya, Chartered Accountant and a Presentation and E-Learning Specialist. He has always been a guiding force for me for a couple of years for now. If one is struck up anywhere, there can be no better person than Pankaj Bhaiya to get the same result with utmost trust. His role in making my presidency successful can't be expressed in words. I remember how I only once asked him to take care of the loan website, to which he readily agreed. The credit of floating the loan website goes exclusively to Pankaj Bhaiya, without whom this would not have been possible. My regards to Pankaj Bhaiya for his all-round support during the year, and thanks to Nutan Bhabi and love to cute little daughter Avishi Jain. Another star member, JC Rohit Jain. Is he present? JC Rohit, a teacher and a zone trainer by profession. I thank JC Rohit Jain from the core of my heart for being the great contributor to the organization, being a zone trainer. The only zone trainer from JCI Guwahati Hunar. JCI Guwahati Hunar is proud and privileged to have members like you who is flying our flag high. JC Rohit Jain has won the hearts of many with his training skills. He is a right person for this job, and he has justified this duty in all respect. His duty in all respect. This quality of him led him back the award as Mr. Dependable in the recently concluded Zone Call 2020. I wish JC Rohit all the luck and good fortune ahead, both professionally and in JCI career, and would love to see him as a national trainer in times to come. Keep motivating and keep spreading happiness with your training sessions. Now the next category is the project chairpersons. JC Ankit Jain, Chartered Accountant. But JC Ankit, are you there? I think it's not there. Ankit Jain. JC Ankit Jain, a Chartered Accountant by profession. He is not there in the account today. JC Ankit worked like my younger brother throughout the year. He was always ready for anything as sought by me. May it be blood donation or anything else, he was always there with words, "Bhaiya ho jayega." आप इतना stress क्यों लेते हो? His contribution in making the holy event a successful one can't be forgotten. He is a true asset for Hunar, and I wish him all the luck and fortune in his professional and JCI career ahead. My regards to his better half, Princhika Jain. JC Rakesh Jain. Rakesh, are you there? JC Rakesh Jain, a businessman by profession and a great industrialist nowadays. JC Rakesh Jain, my close friend, proved this time that he has got the capacity to do whatever is assigned to him. With his dedicated efforts, Holy get together went so well organized at Haveli restaurant. In fact, it was an event which created a great bonding among the members. He has also been of great help in printing related matters of JCI Guwahati Hunar. His contributions to the organization were remarkable, and I thank JC Rakesh Bhaiya for the same, and also convey my regards to his better half JC Barkha ji. I request JC Naveen Bhaiya to come forward. JC Naveen Jain, a businessman. JC Naveen Jain, a man with true heart and a man with a lot of talent. This time, he came up with a noble cause and donated dustbins for our adopted school, Girenpada Prathamic Vidyalaya. I would also like to thank him for letting her wife, JC Ragini, actively involved in the various JCI activities. I wish him all the success in his personal life and also JCI career, and convey my regards to JC Ragini and love to son Bhumi. JC Reshma Chogani, a home engineer by profession. I have seen you working in the beginning of the year 2020. The way in which you participated in events like EPS was really commendable. At times, I keep on wondering if our Lady Shakti is given the right platform, they all can do wonders. You are the true example of the same. I am happy to share here that You also grabbed the award as the most transforming participant during the EPS session held this year, 2020. I thank JC Vikasji Sogani for allowing you to be active in JCI and love to kids Samyak and Devans. JC Aisha Jain.
Members, it's order of the day going on. I request everyone, please maintain decorum and please take your seats. Thank you.
JC Aisha Jain, interior designer by profession. All the hard work you put in any project given to you and the outcome of your inputs are remarkable. I am glad to recognize and greatly appreciate you. The transformation was seen in you while listening to your speeches. You are also a great asset to the organization, and being the wife of the treasurer, JC Prashant Jain, your responsibility were equally high and you justified the same well. Your role in making the events such as JCI Week and inauguration of office premises where being the project chairman were remarkable. I see an upcoming leader in you. Keep up the good work and keep rocking. Thanks for your contribution during the year, JC Aisha, and my regards to your better half and my treasurer, JC Prashant Jain. JC Archie. JC Archie Jain, Chartered Accountant. JC Archie, you were really awesome wherever you participated. You have got the aura and the personality to prove yourself. But the only point is you need to be active to show that you can create a mark. Be prepared for a great role in the year 2021 as more responsibilities are there on your shoulder to being the wife of Secretary-elect 2021, JC Manoj Jain. I know JC Manoj will do wonders, but your support will count. Your role in business skill development and your several speeches are a matter of applaud. Keep up the same spirit. My love to your little kid. JC Barkha Jain. JC Barkha Jain, a home engineer by profession, another dynamic lady of Hunar. JC Barkha Jain, your contribution to Hunar were always remarkable. A simple and easygoing personality you are, and the important part is you are the wife of the most dynamic personality, JC Rakesh Jain, my friend for life. Your role in Project Sahyog was remarkable. My regards to your better half, JC Rakesh Bhaiya, and love to sweet little kids, Kirtish and Prashuk. Neetu Bhabi. A home engineer by profession. I remember you always wanted to be active but did not get time from your home engineering job. This time, we took the initiative together and you did wonders in the roles assigned to you as the project chairperson of Salute to Silent Workers video making contest. It's all about time management, Neetu Bhabi, and you have get the required qualities to come up live. The only thing is that you need to participate. Wish to see you more active and lively in times to come. My regards to my mentor, Vikas Bhaiya, and your better half, Vikas Bhaiya. JC Khushbu Jain. JC Khushbu, are you there? JC Khushbu Jain, a home engineer by profession. JC Khushbu Jain, an active member of JCI Guwahati Hunar and better half of JC Deepak Jain, our treasurer elect 2021. JC Khushbu, you are an asset to to the organization, and your role is very much in the year 2021 for the smooth flow of JC Deepak's treasurership. And I am quite sure that your support is going to be remarkable. Appreciations to you for the nice conduct of Salute to Silent Workers project. Keep up the good work and keep going rocking. JC Kushal Bagadia. JC Kushal Bagadia, Company Secretary by profession. JC Kushal, I have found a real asset in you for honor. Your honor is very much essential for honor. Your calm and humble nature is the key. Your execution of the works assigned to you were always remarkable. I got this confidence while working with you. A prompt and to the point personality, you are a great leader. Your role in making the B2B event a successful one can't be forgotten. You have got the capacity to move the stage given whenever you are being given an opportunity for the same. My best wishes for you both professionally and in JCI career ahead. Keep up the same spirit and keep rocking. JC Kushal Jain, are you present? A new joinee. Oh yes, she's there. JC Kushal Jain, a businessman by profession. A new joinee, JC Kushal Jain came up with a good spirit and became the project chairperson for one of the Chopal session hosted by JCI Guwahati Hunar. I wish him all the good luck in his career ahead, both professionally and in JCI later. Thanks for your contribution to the organization, JC Kushal. JC Natasha Jain, a businesswoman by profession. JC Natasha Jain Bhabi, you were simply awesome in the conduct of the second blood donation camp organized at Rehabari at your behest and control as a project chairman. You have got the courage, the capacity to take in things. The only thing is that you come forward and participate. My regard to Big Brother and your better half, JC Sachin Jain Bhaiya. Keep up the same spirit and keep rocking. JC Sarita Bhabi. JC Savita Bhabi, Savita Jain, a home engineer by profession. JC Savita Jain Bhabi, better half of my secretary Rishabh Bhaiya. You were simply awesome during the year 2020. How can I forget great projects like Apna Hunar Pehchan, which was a project which can be bestowed in creating a bonding among the members in such online corona times. It not only created bonding, this project was instrumental in polishing the speaking skills of the members through online platform with the unique concept of speaking in front of its own members for 1 minute. JC Prashan Agarwal, a businessman by profession. How can I forget the contribution of JC Prashan Agarwal, who only worked for one project and made it so big in terms of proper execution of the same. Career for future was so well handled by JC Prashan Agarwal that there was no need of anyone else to ever assist him. My regards to JC Prashan Agarwal for your contribution and wish you a successful professional in JCI career ahead. Keep up the good work and keep rocking. JC Dr. Ronak Jain. Dentist Dr. Ronak Jain. Being a doctor, it was very difficult for JC Dr. Ronak to be active in JCI, but he proved that He is not only a good doctor but also a good manager and a great leader. His management and deliberation skills were evident in the various projects and programs in which he was actively involved. I have seen the transformation in you and I am sure you will reach to great heights in JCI in times to come. Your contribution in projects like Trio Business Event and B2B Meet were remarkable. My regards to your better half, JC Nidhi Loharia, and love to cute little daughter Arya. Keep up the same spirit alive and rock the show as the VP training elect for the year 2021. Jane. A new JC member, a member with a lot of enthusiasm and talent. Though due to virtual mode, he cannot be active in major events, but JC Amit, whatever you did it with style. Your participation and active involvement in lots was clearly evident. One of the Chopal training sessions under your guidance went exceptionally well. My regards to your better half Ranjita ji and love for sweet little kids Adi and Maitri. I wish all the good fortune and good luck to you in both your professional and JCI career ahead. Project with the hope that in the coming year you all will only be the front runners to take up on one opportunity or the other. And I am sure you all will rock the show along with the new 2021 board under the able leadership of President JC Amit Kumar Jain Patni, Secretary JC Manoj Jain and Treasurer JC Deepak Jain and his team of office bearers. Request JC Ankit Jalan to come forward. JC Ankit, a chartered accountant by profession and a true leader, a leader in true sense. Your contribution in making the sports event one of the biggest event of JCI Guwahati Hunar the year round, which witnessed the highest crowd and the involvement of the entire JCI fraternity, it witnessed was remarkable. Under your guidance and the guidance of your co-chairperson group, it was the Zone Event Sports Event wherein we mingled together in a great way, and the bonding which it created was actually remarkable. As in this year of pandemic, there were no other events which could create such benchmark, but it was an event of its kind which really created a bonding, and after that everything was under lockdown. I thank JC Ankit from the core of my heart for being active throughout the year on all wherever I required you as a silent worker. You always were there to actively assist me silently. Thank you so much for being. I request JC Group to come forward. So as it is said, this is an organization of CAs. बहुत CA है हमारे यहाँ. CA की लिस्ट खत्म ही नहीं होती है. Again another CA, JC Dhruv, a close younger brother of mine, and he always was active silently again throughout the year, and his efforts again for making the sports event was really remarkable. He executed the service so well that there was no stress of any kind wherever it came to sports event. Mainly sports event was taken care of by him so well, and also in all the activities मेरे को जहाँ आपकी जरूरत पड़ी आपने हमेशा साथ निभाया और actively involved रहे. Thank you so much JC Dhruv from my family. My IPP, a chartered accountant by profession, JC Vijay Agarwal, is a man with clear ideologies and vision. He was always supportive to me throughout the year 2020 whenever the need so arises. He always gave confidence to me whenever I was in a complicated situation for a project. He acted as a IPP in true sense, and his role was instrumental in projects like the blood donation camp mainly and all other projects held during the year. I see a true leader in him, and I thank JC Vijay Agarwal and his better half JC Meghna Agarwal for all the support during my tenure of presidency. Thank you so much. सामाजिक संस्था में शीर्ष पद पर कार्यरत होने के फायदे एवं नुकसान दोनों ही हैं। आपको अपने दिल पे पत्थर रखकर परिवार से अलग रहकर कार्य करना पड़ता है। जब मैंने इस पद के लिए मेरा नामांकन भरा तो शुरुआत में मुझे बहुत प्रतिरोध का सामना करना पड़ा, लेकिन फिर सबकी रजामंदी के फलस्वरूप मैं इस कार्यभार को संभालने में सक्षम हुआ। मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ मेरे पापा मम्मी, मेरे भाई मेरी वाइफ स्नेहा का, मेरे भाई योगेश एवं उसकी वाइफ सीमा का, जिन्होंने मुझे शक्ति दी एवं मेरा साथ पूरे साल भर निभाने का निर्णय लिया। परिवार के प्रति मेरी जिम्मेवारियों का भार भी मेरी जगह बखूबी निभाया। ये सच ही कहा गया है कि किसी की जीत किसी के त्याग में छुपी है। मेरे परिवार के इस त्याग और समर्पण का श्रेय मेरे को एक सफल अध्यक्ष बनाने में कारगर साबित हुआ और इसी के फलस्वरूप मैं शाखा 25 के सर्वश्रेष्ठ अध्यक्ष के रूप से में नवाजा गया। पापा श्री संतोष कुमार जी पहाड़िया के सिखाए गए गुणों की बदौलत ही मैं आज इस पायदान पर पहुंच पाया। पापा, आपका यह प्यार मेरे लिए हमेशा बना रहे, मैं भगवान से यही कामना करता हूँ। मम्मी मीनू देवी जैन ने के बताए हुए सिद्धांतों पे चलकर ही मैं आज एक श्रेष्ठ व्यक्तित्व के रूप में आप सबके सामने खड़ा हूँ। मम्मी, आपके आशीर्वाद के बिना मैं अधूरा हूँ। वाइफ स्नेहा का जिस कदर साथ मुझे पूरे साल भर मिला वो काबिले तारीफ था एवं विगत वर्ष में आपने मेरे कार्यकाल के दौरान जो त्याग मेरे लिए किया उसकी भरपाई शायद मैं जिंदगी भर ना कर पाऊँ। मेरा भाई एवं उसकी वाइफ के सहयोग के बिना शायद मैं मेरे अध्यक्ष पद की मेरी जिम्मेदारी को बखूबी ना निभा सकता। उसके साथ मेरे लिए एक प्रेरणा का स्रोत उनका साथ मेरे लिए एक प्रेरणा का स्रोत रहा। मैं मेरे बच्चों काव्या एवं प्रखर का त्याग भला कैसे भूल सकता हूँ, जो पूरे साल एक ऐसे पिता से जूझते रहे जो घर पे रहकर भी उन्हें समय देने में असमर्थ रहा। थैंक यू सो मच।